Let's solve one more question from this chapter. A shop security mirror. So from the first line itself we have got a keyword, a shop security mirror. So this mirror is nothing but a convex mirror. If you remember the application which I have given you, a convex mirror can be used as a rear view mirror, as a parking mirror, as a surveillance mirror, that is as a shop security mirror. So I can say that what is the type of mirror? This question can be simply answered that the mirror type is nothing but convex mirror. Right? So this shop security mirror is which is 5 meters from certain object. So mirror is kept from object at a distance of 5 meter. So here u ka value will be taken as 5 meter object distance, but object distance is always negative, so u will be minus 5 meter. A shop security mirror 5 meter from certain object displayed in the shop produces 1/10. It produces 1/10 of the magnification. That means the magnification has been given 1/10. We know that magnification is positive for virtual image and negative for real image. But here the nature of the image is not given. You must remember that convex mirror always produces virtual image. It never produces real image. So since mirror is convex, the image will be virtual. So for virtual, if I say, if magnification is virtual, it has to be taken as plus. So m can be written as minus v by u. It is 1/10. So v ka value is minus u by 10, which is minus of minus 5u by 10. 5/10. So v ka value is half meter because u is also in meter, or it can be written as 0.5 meter. So we have got the third part of the question. Where is the image formed? You can say 0.5 meter behind the mirror. Now we have to calculate the radius of curvature. So to get radius of curvature, we need to calculate first focal length. If I use the mirror equation 1 upon f as 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. So 1 upon f ka value is, what is v? Half. So it can be written as 1 by 2. What is u? Minus 5 minus 1 by 5. So this give 5 2s are 10 minus 1 upon 5. So what is 1 upon f ka value will be? Come on, tell me. 9 by 5. So f ka value will be 5 by 9 meter. And if I want to calculate radius of curvature, which is 2f, so 2 into 5 by 9. So radius of curvature will be 10 by 9 meter. Right? I have given some questions in the worksheet which we have to solve. Use every time mirror equation and formula for linear magnification. Use all the sign convention. You will easily solve every numericals. Thank you.